I'm CBS 13's Madison Keevy. I'm here outside the federal courthouse in Sacramento. A very different scene than we saw just a couple hours ago when Redding mother of two, Sherri Papini, was sentenced for her kidnapping hoax back in 2016. 18 months in federal custody. That sentence handed down in a courtroom inside this building here in Sacramento. Not the recommendations by her attorneys or U.S. attorneys. In fact, this one imposed by the judge, who said he wanted to not only deter copycats, but create a sentence that fit within the laws of the court, but that would also really show the impact and the number of people that Papini's lies impacted over the nearly 3 weeks that she had gone missing. Sherri's attorneys recommended 1 month in federal custody and 7 months with intense home supervision. The U.S. attorneys recommended 8 months in their sentencing memorandum. The judge said neither of those would suffice and sentenced Papini to 18 months in federal custody, that she'll have to turn herself in by November 8th to a federal prison here in California that is yet to be chosen. By 2 p.m. on November 8th, she will be in federal custody. She spoke for the first time publicly about this in court. We heard from her. She said, quote, "I am so sorry to many people." She said, quote, "I am guilty of lying," and quote, "I am guilty of dishonor." She said that she chose to accept all responsibility. Her attorney echoed that when asked, because in sentencing documents, U.S. attorneys said that Papini still continued to lie about her kidnapping. The judge said that in order to, again, prevent copycats and really show that there was an impact from her lies, 18-month sentence in federal custody was where he landed. I don't use this word lightly. It really was a bombshell day in court, because it was the first time that we heard from Papini herself, and for why the judge said he chose a sentence that was much more than what had been recommended. I'm going to break it all down as someone who is inside this courtroom on CBS Sacramento starting today at 4.